We are Country Chicken Co. We raise country chicken the way nature intended. Our free-range farms ensure that our chickens are not cooped up in a cage, but chilling in nature. They are also treated like superstars, being fed an all-vegetarian diet that includes maize, millets, fenugreek seeds, sunflower seeds, tomatoes, aloe vera, and more. Our chickens are not provided with any synthetic or artificial boosters that make them stronger or healthier. You dance. We have network of farms spread across the country where we have